And welcome back. Evidently one of my batteries is pretty much no good. So it dropped me like a hot potato. That's okay because I'm still enjoying what's going on here. And I pretty much dropped everything to change that battery, so nothing changed since you were last here. And I'm going to grab a little more turquoise because that seems to be really working out nice for me. And I'm kind of changing my mind a little bit about adding a line of demarcation. But I'm not changing my mind about what did I do with that purple. Okay, well, no, let's just do a little black. A little more blue. And keep your eye out for that purple. Where did it go? That's weird. Okay, it's right in front of me. Yeah, that happens a lot. Honest to God, too much. And just because it pops so nicely, I think I'm going to put some of that over there too. Don't know what I'm going to do with that negative space yet in here, but I'm liking what's happening with everything else. And I'm bound to steal some paint from somewhere. Pardon me while I attempt to cover my edge. I don't know how long that first video was. I didn't set the timer. This is kind of fun. It's not a real landscape. It's just an imaginary landscape. But it's abstract, so it doesn't matter. No rules. Do what you want. Have some fun. I did start with a thumbnail. Let me go back and... Alright, so what goes in there? I have no idea. I am thinking about what? Some pearl? Something weird? Don't ask me why I'm doing this. That's right, you're not here to do that. So I'm just gonna push it into the edge of what's next to it. And yes, I still have paint on my spatula. I'm expecting it to be the catalyst for whatever good things are coming my way. I'm hopeful that I can pull this off in short order. If it doesn't look good, it's still wet enough so I can do something else. I had my black. There it is. I know I said I wouldn't do that, but I'm not minding that I did. And I kind of want to see what happens if I just get over here and allow nature to take its course. Because the paint will do as it wishes. And allowing it to do as it wishes is part of my plan. See, I have reason to let that black go down over the edge that you may or may not see. The plan was not to make another long video, that is for certain. I'm going to switch spatulas because this little one with a sharp edge and a point on the front is calling to me. I don't know what they are, but if I put enough interesting layers in, it will still remind me of land and rolling hills, and that's a good thing. I think, since I found my purple, I should... Whoa! Okay. Is it time for palette knife? Happy accident? I guess we'll find out. That I want to tip. That's cool. Let's use some of that elsewhere, since we have such an abundance of it. Purple mountains. Go figure. Part of a song I heard once. Nope, that's not really bothering me. Thank God for GAC 800, huh? That's fun. I like that. I'm happy with that. Pleased my muse is speaking to me again. I want a little bit of that. Where do I want it though? I suppose I could blow that in. Oh look, we have more. And there it went. Kind of looks like we came to the ocean. And the ocean is washing up. Who knows? Probably everybody's going to see something different. I don't know how much more complicated I want to make that. But I don't mind using the paint that's here to make a few adjustments. And we're not trying for realism. We're just trying for poetry on canvas. Let's take that and some of this. I really don't mind mixing one paint in with the other so long as I'm not too vehement about it. We'll keep what we want to go on going. It's the layers that create the interest. I have really wanted to play landscape artist for a while. I did it when I was a kid with my parents. I sketched all over New England. Oh, I kind of like that. That's tempting me to, what is it tempting me to? Let's see. I think it's time for a skewer. Let's find a clean skewer. And I remember that tip is really big now. That's okay. It also looks a little bit like it's very translucent. I like the orange along the edge of that mountain. I'm not so thrilled about that big splooge right there, but we know how to get rid of those. Really, we do. Just clean that off, pick some paint up from somewhere else, say goodbye. The worst place is to have a little bit of brown. I'm going to wipe that off again. I really feel like I should have some more white someplace, but it looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but it looks like sky and a sunset along the edge. And I might put a little tiny yellow sun in there. And for right now, I think we're just going to torch. We can pretend all that's the ocean if we want. It's really up to you. Too much stuff. Oh, we didn't light a painting on fire. That's good. See a little naked piece of canvas I want to go away. Cool, I really love the bottom of that. Whoops, and that was that. And you can see that. I hope. I'll make sure you can see it before I go. I've got a few things to touch up. Not too many. That's fun. I like that. I'm good. Here you go. Move it a little bit more this way. No, that's as far as it's going. Sorry. Okay. I hope you liked me doing that. I liked me doing that, and I'm going to do more of those at some point in time. I don't think I'm going to do much of anything else to it. If I find little pieces of naked canvas, I might dab some paint into them, but otherwise, have a wonderful day, evening, morning, whatever time it is, wherever you are. I hope it's great. Bye for now.